Hello, everyone. I really need to talk about a personal topic. It's about my GFN bestie and my boyfriend. Okay, so my friend group all struggles with mental health, and my GF got called fat. So a while later, she ran off, and she texted the boy saying, "I'm at the bridge, you know, what I'm going to do." While we were playing out together, I spam texted her so she wouldn't commit suicide. Here are some messages. If you have seen my other vids, you will know that this is the Megan from Catasky self-insert.girl. I love her so much, but I've told her not to vent to me, respectfully, because I have too many issues myself. And I really don't want to say this, but she is making my mental health worse. For some reason, I feel like all of our issues in the friend group are my fault. She also favors my BF in my poly relationship. My BF isn't aware of my feelings or her favorites. This is Fluffy, logging off.